Yeah, no, it looks like a ball.
Yeah.
Like a lightning ball. Like
Okay, like
instead of like a lightning bolt,
yeah.
like a ball.
Okay.
So it looks really it's
Looks cool.
yeah. Yeah.
Alien?
Maybe. I'm.
Military?
So what they're saying is this phenomenon is normally associated with thunderstorms,
Okay.
right? And I've heard about stuff like this happening. I've never seen it. I've seen a lot of weird shit in the sky because I drive a lot at night.
Yeah.
Well, I used to.
Mm-hmm.
And
Did it say like how long it was there?